Hello, Apurva. Thank you so much for joining us. Please, can you introduce yourself to us?
Hi, Sylvie. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Apurva Bendre. I am a PhD in health economics student studying at Indiana University in the United States. So I completed my undergraduation and master's back in India, and I applied to United States for PhD programs in different universities, and got accepted by few of them. So it was like a big thing for me to, migrating from India to United States with full scholarship for the PhD program, and I wanted to like pass on this information to other international students, because I just realized, that how much of opportunities and scholarships and things like that are available. So with that purpose, I started this YouTube channel called as Videsified, along with one of my friends. His name is Krishna Aki, and he's also an international student. So we just make content and videos explaining the entire process of applying to the universities abroad, specifically to US, because we have like the first-hand experience ourselves, and we are getting like so much positive response from students, around the world, because we went through the exact same challenges as international students, and we exact the same problems what students face. So yeah, the response has been great. We just crossed 10,000 subscribers like 2 days back on our channel.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Congratulations! Yeah.
And yeah, that kind of shows that people are finding our content helpful, and that is so like rewarding. So yeah.
Okay. So, first, you already explained like what you do in the scholarship space. So, why does this matter to you? Like this work that you do, why does it matter to you and the person that you create content with?
Right. So, Sylvie, like we started this Videsify, this our YouTube channel during the COVID times. Like we saw many international students like changing or dropping their plans of higher education because of all the uncertainty which was surrounded around COVID. And since we are already here, and we see like the situation firsthand, and we get the information from the universities, because we are over here, we just thought that let's pass on this information to the students, and that's how we started making videos about what universities and how universities are planning to host their fall semesters or spring semesters. Is going to be like in person or online, or what's the situation like for the visa. So we started with that, and then found that there is so much that a student faces, like all the problems student faces during this entire admission process. So we just thought, let's just make out the entire application timeline videos. So we started with making videos related to like GRE, like how do you prepare for GRE, TOEFL, how do you find about scholarships, how do you get the letter of recommendations, how do you write your statement of purpose. So we started all of that, and like in fact I also made a video about how I got my PhD admission to the United States. So basically anybody can like watch that video and just use similar steps which I used to get admission. So that's how we started. We saw the struggle, and we saw that okay, we can help out here, and that's how we started. And I feel like it's yeah, like I said, it's rewarding when students come to us and they say that, hey, we watched your video and it was so helpful, and people come here, and yeah, so it's been great, and I'm just happy that we are able to like help students and society in some way.
Yeah, thank you so much for the space, you like everything that you people provide, and the content and the details of everything that you people provide. Thank you all very much. I'm sure it helps. Just as you said, the way it resonates with students, you can see it based on how many people watch, how many people comment. You can know that okay, it's really helping people. So because we are in this Women's Month celebrating women, and I'm trying to celebrate women who create content about scholarships, I'm sure there are many young girls who look up to you like, oh, I want to be like Apurva one day. I want to go study in the United States and things like that. So what do you say to young girls who are looking up to you as some sort of like an inspiration?
Well, that's a big word, inspiration. But like Sylvie, like growing up, I think many girls are told to be dependent on their fathers first, then their brothers, or then their husband, and the list just goes on. And I find that for this to end, it's important for a woman to realize that she has to be like independent, and that comes with financial independence. And financial independence can be achieved through multiple ways. One of a very big way is getting higher education. So I feel like there are so many opportunities out there, but at times it can be really overwhelming for the student to understand how to navigate through that process. So I would just say that not just women, for like any human being, if you have the will to kind of pursue higher education, go out into the world, then there are ways. Just understand that there are means. You just have to kind of search for the right information, search for the right videos, or right websites. So there are so many things, right? So many resources out there. So even for us, like, we have our YouTube channel, we have our Instagram page. Like, you can reach out to us and we will help you navigate through the entire process. But I just want to tell people that there are resources available. Don't think that, okay, I want to pursue higher education, but I don't have funds. What do I do? There is a solution for everything. And just trust in yourself and just go through it. Internet has changed the game for all of us. There is information, and we can do it. So it's high time that as women we realize this and start getting our lives in our own hands. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Apurva. I like that. I really like that. So how can people find you? You said you have a YouTube channel and Instagram page. Can you tell us, like, what is the name of the YouTube channel? What is the name of the Instagram page? How can people find you?
Right. So the YouTube channel is called as Videsified. It's a WEDESIFIED, and with the same name we also have an Instagram page. And I also have my personal Instagram ID, Apurva_Bendre. You can even reach out to me over there, and we'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful. Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you, Sylvie. It was great talking to you, and you're doing a great job, and I'm so happy to do this.
Okay, all right.